Thank you very much for holding this hearing, and I appreciate you and the ranking member and the work that you've put into this. Let me just note that I am chairman, co-chairman of the Egyptian caucus, and as such, I have been to Egypt a number of times in recent days. And let me just state for the record that I believe that President el-Sisi and the democratic people in Egypt who want to have a legitimate democratic government are under attack by forces that would murder them. So whatever we are doing when we're talking about Egypt, let's understand we're talking about people who are fighting forces that would murder them and create a caliphate that would be allied with terrorists. In fact, if President el-Sisi and his efforts are defeated, you could expect a collapse of resistance to this radical Islamic terrorist movement that threatens the world. They are at an equivalent of where we were at immediately after Pearl Harbor. The fact is, what did we do when we were under attack? Yes, there were things that we would never tolerate in our society today. We put large numbers of American citizens, Japanese Americans, in camps. Yes, that did not indicate what type of government or type of country we had, but it did indicate that we are at war with an enemy that had murdered our own people and would continue to do so. That's what's going on in Egypt today. Those people are on the front lines. President el-Sisi and his democratic allies and the moderate Muslim community there are under attack by the very same terrorists that would, again, create a caliphate and threaten the entire world. We have faced this terrorism here. We have faced it in Orlando. We have faced it in San Bernardino. We have faced it in the Boston Marathon. This radical Islamic terrorism threat to the world is something that we need to recognize, and we need to recognize that people like President el-Sisi and the good people of Egypt are on the front lines, and we need to back them as much as we can so that we can, because we know if they lose, we lose. Thank you very much, Madam Chairman.